Hi everybody, Mr. Heeb here. Today we're going to talk about using the answer from an input statement in the middle of a sentence. So we're going to go back to Replit. I started this by clicking on the plus sign and adding a new Replit called MathGrade. So I'm going to ask a question. Input. What is your grade in math? All right, so if I ran it here, it'll ask me down below, what is your grade in math? Let's say I'm getting a B, I'll hit B. Now, I really don't like how you have to type right next to the question. So I'm gonna say, what is your grade in math? I should put a question mark, and I'm gonna hit a couple spaces here. So now when I run it, it'll say, what is your grade in math? And I'll just type in B out here. There it is. That looks a little bit nicer to me. Now, what I wanna do is I wanna save this as a variable name. Let's save it as math underscore grade. That's pretty specific. So math grade. All right, that looks like a good variable name and everything's good. Now we want to use this in sentence. So I'll just have it print out something that says your grade in math is, or I'm going to change that a little bit. You have an, or a, and then because I want to do this in the middle of the sentence, I'm going to say plus math grade plus, and then I'm going to open up another string, and I'm going to say grade in math. Now I'm going to explain what I just did. So our first line is going to save whatever answer we have to this word math grade. So there's a variable called MathGrade that's going to hold that answer. So when I make a print statement, I'm going to say you have a, that's going to be my first string. You have a B, and it takes that from the thing above, B grade in math. So let's run it to see. So what is your grade in math? If I said C, you have a C grade in math. If I run it and I say A, you have an A grade in math. If we run it and say, oops, not running. If I said D, you have a D grade in math. So this lets you add our answer in the middle of a sentence. So remember, you have to have a string, a plus on each side of our variable, and then a string on the other side, and everything is going to work. I hope that helps.